Hello everyone, welcome to the onlinedigitalart.com. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make a text mask effect in the Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we'll be needing the board. Okay, so I'll just rotate the board into the landscape mode. Okay, so now I'm going to add a background gradient. For adding this, I will choose the style radial, will make it reverse, and instead of white I'll go for the light gray. Okay, so let's see how it's looking. Okay, a little bit more lighter. Okay, now we will be requiring the image that we will going to mask in the text. Okay, so I have got this image of a Valentino Rossi. Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to just cut out this Rossi from the image, which I have already done. You can also do it by using the pen tool, like selecting the object that you required and removing and right clicking, make selection. Okay, then you can delete the background also. So like this I have already done it. So it is here. Okay, so I'm going to just take this into my working file. Okay, then I'll just make it horizontal. Then I'm going to write a text Valentino. Okay, let's change the color of the text. Now resize it. Okay, okay, now we have to scale it the way we want. Okay, so I'll be just putting like this. Okay, so right now I'm going to do some of the I'll select the color of this text neon green. So no, this one is like I'll go for the mint color. Okay, and I will also put some stroke in this. So I'll choose the stroke color as a white. The stroke size will be, I think this will look fine. No, this is too much. Okay, now this is fine. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to mask this. Okay, so we will press Control and then we will click on the text box. So what had happened? We have selected the text. Now make sure that the layer 1 is selected and just click on this mask button. Okay, so we have masked the Valentino Rossi inside the text. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate the layer. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to just right click on this box and we will click on the disable mask. Okay, so it has happened. Now we will drag this layer below this Rossi text, and what we will do is now we will delete this extra part of the Valentino Rossi. Okay, so for this we will go to this rectangle selection tool and I think this will work. Okay, now I have selected. Make sure that the bottom Valentino Rossi is selected. Now press delete. So that's it. If you like my tutorial on the text masking effect on Photoshop, Please do like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.